Students, today we shall see that on disk some information is stored and the complete information cannot be transferred to main memory. It is needed, then only it is transferred. It is called demand transfer. And second concept is this, that conjugating memory locations in a group of are put in the form of a page. Okay, so let us see. It is a disk and we need M. Value of memory 7 is required. Value of memory 15 is required. And value of memory 8 is required. And value of memory 18 is required. So what we shall do? We store their values in the main memory. And along with them, we have to also say what address it is. So we can say 07 memory is 21. 15th memory is 45. 8th memory is 73. And 18th memory is also 73. So we write like this. Let us see how much space is required. It is requiring 4 into 4 equal to 16 units of the space. Reason? Value of every memory is in 2 digits and every memory address is also in 2 bits. Okay, so along with the address, we have to store the data. Now we group the memory into pages. We say that memory 0 and memory 1 is page 0. Page 0 consists of 2 memories, memory 0 and memory 1. Similarly, that is correct. Actually, it is a binary digit, but for the simplicity's sake, I am considering decimal digits. Is it correct? Simply yes. Okay. Now, we can also say that memory location number 7 corresponds to page 3. So page 3 is 8921. Okay. We need memory location number 15. 15 is page 7. Page 7 is 2345. Page 7 is 2345. And so 7 is covered and 8 is covered. Where is 7? 7 is this and 8 is this. Okay. Okay. 7 is there and 8 is there. Suppose it is not 8. We need 6. So 6 is 89. So here it is 6. Okay. So 15 is page 7, which is 2345. Then 18 is page 9, which is 7345. So we have stored this information in this format. Okay. So previously 16 digits were required to store the information. Now 15 digits are required. Okay. We shall talk about demand transfer. We have got some information onto the disk, and the part of the information will be stored in main memory. Which part? The part which is needed. Suppose we need values of memory 7, 15, 6 and 18. So in the main memory we shall store memory 7 is 21. But how we shall come to know that it is memory 7? So the address will also be stored. Yes, sir. We need to access 21. You see, we shall come to it. So we can, along with the address, we are storing the values. We are grouping two memories into one page. Normally the group is not of size 2. It is 1024, at least 1024 is a page size. Now, how we can store the value of the memory 7? Memory 7 is in page 3. So we are saying page 3 is 8921. Memory 15 is page 7. So we are storing the entire page 7. So as such, we only needed memory 15, but 14 will also be required here. As far as this is concerned, we needed only 6, but 6 is already there. And here 18 is page 9, and whole page 9 will be put here. Okay, now the question is this. By looking at this, suppose A, B, C, D, E, F is given. A is page number. So, memory 2A is BC, and memory 2A plus 1 is DE. Do you understand it? Okay. For example, okay, I have not understood it. What is the meaning of this? Suppose we have written 38921. This means what? This means memory 3 into 2 is equal to memory 6 is 8921, 89, and memory 3 into 2 plus 1 is equal to memory 7. This is equal to 21. Any doubt? What is your question? Any question you can ask now. Nilanjan, Jannat, any doubt? Any doubt you have got? Now, any doubt of any type a person is having? Yes, 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 you are correct. I have already answered Nilanjan question. But for 3, 8, 9, 21, how can we know that we need to access 21 and not 89? By this formula. Suban, by this formula. 3, 8, 9, 21 is there. It means memory 3 into 2 is 89 and 3 into 2 plus 1 is 21. General formula I have written. A, B, C, D, A is a page number. So memory 2A is BC and memory 2A plus 1 is DE. What else is your doubt? Achha, maybe that the examples will be going, then it will become clear to you. Is it correct? It will become clear to you. Suppose we are executing a program. 89 and 21, let me just tell you, see, there is a disk. In this disk, values of various memories are stored. M06, suppose there is an array. So array A6 is 89, A7 is 21. Is it clear to you? Others? Okay. Now we shall see. Probably things will become clear to you. Suppose a program is under execution and we are doing this statement. We want memory 12. We want to print the value of memory 12. Now, what will RAM have and what action will be done? Okay, let us see this. These things will become clear to you. Suppose a program is under execution and it wants to print the value of M12. What action will be done? M12 means page 6. Entire page 6 will be brought. Page 6 is brought from disk to RAM. Is it correct? So this action will be taken. And what is page 6? Page 6 is this 7884. Clear to you? So we can also write it in short. P6 is transferred from disk to memory RAM. Is it clear? Then print M12 is done. RAM will contain this, and the page 6 will be transferred from disk to memory. Now you see, forget about these things. Pay attention. We are executing the statement print M12. Then the value M12 basically means page 6. So 7884 will be transferred from disk to RAM. Is this all right to you? And the RAM will contain this. That is correct. That is correct. Okay. It is integer division of 12 by 2. So page number can be obtained by dividing the memory by 2. Is it correct? Yes. Fully correct. Any doubt? We want to print M4. M5 will basically means 5 by 2. In the RAM, this was already there. Page number 2 will be transferred from disk to RAM. Page 2 is 2345. So page 2 is 2345. And the action taken will be page 2 is transferred from disk to RAM. Is this all right to you? Okay. Please write for print M6. Okay, so you can see very easily. Print M6 will be the similar. M6 will mean page 3. So page 3 will be transferred. Page 3 will be 8921. Page 3 will be transferred from disk to RAM. What is the problem? But you see, there is always a maximum limit on the data which a memory can store. Is it correct? So we are storing, assuming that every memory can store 2-digit number. It can be extended also. Is this correct? But that is always true. There is a maximum number which can be stored in memory. Suppose we want to print M13, then RAM will remain the same, no change in the RAM will take place, and there is no transfer. By looking in the RAM, M3 means page 6, and page 6 is already there. So page 6, we can easily find out that it is 84. So we can print the value 84. Is it clear to you? Any doubt now? Ask any more question. It is not clear, Nilanjan. What are you saying? Okay. Okay, fine. Are you convinced? Any doubt? Any person has any doubt? Any more example required? Let me take one more example. That is never the case. When you are taking an array, entire array will be either integer or float. Is it correct? In the array, the elements are not mixed up. Is it correct? Yes. Any doubt? We shall see to it. Suppose here we are writing print M18. Let's see what will RAM has. 18 means page number 9. So page number 9 will be transferred from 7345. So page number 9 will be transferred from disk to RAM. Okay. So our RAM will have this. And before this, we shall write 3. For the time being, you assume in front of every page number will be written. And the values at that page will be written. And 3 will be written for the time being. Yes. We shall see when the things can be partially valid. Is it correct? Okay. We want M18. M18 means page number 9. Page number 9, 7345 will be transferred and first digit will be written as 3 for the time being. You take it for granted that first digit will always be written as 3. Is it correct? Yes. Now, suppose we are writing M12 equal to 86. So this 397, 345 will remain in the RAM. Now, M12 is equal to 86 has been done. We do not have to transfer anything from disk to RAM because all operations can be done into memory. So here it is no transfer. Here it is no transfer. But we know the value of memory 12. So memory 12 means page number 6. Has 86. Here we can write any garbage value. In place of UV, any digits can be written. And here we shall be writing 0. 3 means both valid. 0 means, you see, what is page number 4? Page number 4 contains two numbers, 73 and 45. 0th number of page number 4 is 73 and 1st number of page number 4 is 45. Page number 8 contains two numbers. 0th number is 89 and 1st number is 21. And here we shall write page 6 contains 86 and here we can write any garbage number. Suppose we write it 56. In place of 56, any garbage number can be written. So what is the meaning of this? Meaning of this is page 6 contains 86, 56. But out of this, only 0th number of page 6 is valid, and next part is not valid. Is it all right to you? Okay, I will explain to you. What is the meaning of this? Suppose we write 3, 5, 29, 87. Means memory 10 is equal to 29. Memory 11 is equal to 87. Is it correct? No. We shall not transfer to RAM also. Just wait. We shall not do any transfer to RAM. No transfer to RAM will take place. Why? Later on, the value of M12 can even be updated. Is it correct? So no transfer to RAM will take place. We shall talk about the transfer to RAM only when our program is over. This means this. What is the meaning of this? 0 to 56, 23 means memory 4 is equal to 56 and memory 5 we cannot say. Suppose we write this 1, 4, 2, 8, 93. This means M memory 8 is equal to 28. We cannot say. And memory 9 is equal to memory 9 is equal to 93. What is your doubt? No, no, Roshan is wrong. No. You see, when M12 equal to 86 will be done, we shall not do any transfer between disk and RAM. Reason? Why don't we want to update the disk? Reason is this, that M12 can again be updated in the future. Is it correct? So at present, we are only writing it into the RAM and waiting till the program is getting over. For the time being, forget about 2. We are only considering 0, 1. 0 means 0th. Memory valid. And 1 means first memory valid. Is this correct? Yes. When our entire program is over, only then we shall do transfer to disk. Is this correct? Yes. Entire transfer will be done when the entire program is over. Now, let us see one more thing. We are printing M19. What will be done in this case? Can you tell me? Write down what will be done in this case. Tell me what will be done in this case. Page 9 is already there. So it will remain the same and no transfer. Because it is on page 9 and page 9 is already there. Fully correct. Suppose we want to do print M12. Then what will be done? Tell me what will be done in this case. Any doubt? It will remain the same and no transfer will be there. Is it correct? Yes. Any doubt? Now, you see, M12 is 86. M12 means page number 6. M12 means, sorry, I made a mistake. I made a mistake. I made a mistake. Everything was correct. But Gyan wrote it, I got confused. What is this 367884? It is not clear to me. What is 367884? No. M12. This M12 will not be used. Gyan, you are wrong. This M12 will not be used. This M12 will not be used. We shall try to use this M12. The value printed will not be 78. The value printed will be 86. Any mistake? You see, print M19 will mean print 45. But print M12 does not mean print 78. It means print 86. The value of the disk has been hypothetically overwritten. Now, program over. Program over. Now, when our program is over, then we shall transfer page number 6 will be transferred from RAM to disk partially. Do you understand? Because when print M18 was done, the entire page 7845 was brought to the main memory. Now when print M19 is done, then already the value of page 9 is available with us. It is page 9 memory 1, which is 45. Hence we don't need any transfer. Is it correct to you? You see, because the value of M12 in the disk has no meaning now. It is supposed to be updated by to 86, though we have not updated it at present. We shall update it later on. But the value of M12 printed will be 86. It has nothing to do with this. And when the program is over, page 6, M12 will be updated from 78 to 86. So this 78 will be removed. This 78 will be removed. Disk initial. And disk final. So what we shall, when our work is over, our final disk will be this. M12 is no more 78, it is 86. But this will be done only when the program is over. That is correct, Jannat. When M18 was transferred, M19 was also automatically transferred. So when the print M19 is done, no need to transfer it again. You are fully correct. What is your doubt now? What is your doubt? We shall see to it. We shall see to it. Yes, in case of M13, we shall transfer from disk to RAM. You are fully correct. You are fully correct. Fully correct. When the program is over, why we shall transfer P6 from RAM to disk? Reason? In place of page 6, in before page 6, 0 is written. And 0 means this was updated. Is it all right? We shall see. A, B, C, D, E, F. A equal to 0 means page B and it means page memory 2B is made CD. A equal to 1 means memory 2B plus 1 is made EF. A is equal to 3 means no change on disk. And later on we shall see A equal to 4 means memory 2B is made as CD and memory 2B plus 1 is made as EF. Is there any doubt? We shall come to this, Suman. No, for 0 means nothing has been transferred. 0 means nothing has been transferred. The value of the corresponding memory is generated in the RAM only. Is it correct? So the disk value has no meaning now. And when the program is over, the disk value will be updated. And normally we don't write first memory or second memory. We write 0 memory and first memory. Is it correct? Yes. 3 means both memory are transferred. And 0 means no transfer has taken place, but only the 0th variable is valid and other is not valid. Yes, we shall come to it. Nilanjan, we shall 0 and 1s are used because it is easy to understand. And I have not used 2 so that confusion is removed. Is it correct? And okay? Yes. 0 and 1 means page partially dirty. And 4 means full page is dirty. And 3 means page is valid but it is not dirty. Is it correct? Yes. Okay? This is the meaning of this. We shall see one more example. Then the things will become clear to you. We shall see more examples. Print M06. Write down what will be done. Print M06. That is correct. 4 means full page is updated. And 3 means nothing is updated on the page. And 0 means only page is partially updated and remaining part has no meaning, it is garbage. And similarly 1 means page is updated on the later part and the remaining part has got no meaning. Is this correct? This is what it means. Yes. That is correct. So page number 3 means 3, 8, 9, 21. Means first 3 means page, second 3 means page 3. And first 3 means both the values of the page 3 have non-garbage data. And what we have done? We have transferred page 3 from disk to RAM. Is it correct now? What will be done if we write M7 equal to 38? Tell me what will be done when M7 equal to 38 which is written. No, wrong. Gyan is wrong. Why we are making the value of memory 6 as a garbage? Gyan is wrong, Jannat is wrong. Both are wrong. Why we are making the value of memory 6 as a garbage? And no transfer I can understand. No transfer I can understand. Because we don't need to involve disk in this matter. Entire work can be done here. Others is also wrong. Others is also wrong. You see, if we write 1, it means only M7 is valid and M6 is not valid. Gyan is again wrong. It will be 4, 3, 89 and 38. This 3 means page 3. 0th is 89 and 1 is 38. So memory 6 is 89 and memory 7 is 38. Now When our work is entirely over, then full page on the memory will be updated. Is this all right to you? Now, fine. We shall find that making updates on full page in the disk are easy and making updates in the part of the disk are hard. For basically means entire page is valid and entire page is to be updated. Because if our program is over, then what we shall do? Suppose our program is over. When our program is over, then page number 3 is transferred from RAM to disk fully. Is it correct? It is fully transferred. Any question? Okay. If we write 1, it means first part is valid and 0th part is not valid. When we write 4, it means both are valid. It will become clear to you slowly and slowly. It will become clear to you. Yes, 4 means both are dirty. Technically speaking, both are not dirty. Only part of this is dirty. But you see, updating full is easy and updating part is uneasy. You see, here we have update how to partially update the page 6. Okay, we shall see to it. Jan, we shall see to it. Okay, let us see. Let us see to it. Suppose we want to do this. Print M13 equal to 57. Can you tell me what will happen? We shall see to it. We shall see to it. Yes, let us see to this. Right, what will be done in this case? M13 equal to 57. M13 means page 6. First 2 letters can be any garbage. And the second part will be 57. And here we shall write 1, means next 2 digits are garbage. And here no transfer. Is it correct? Now, suppose we do it here now. Print M12. Then, in place of UV, any random digits can be put. Any random digits can be put. Now, technically speaking, M12 means page 6. Page 6 is available in the RAM. But 1 is written here. It means that the zeroth part of this is invalid. Hence, we transfer P6 is transferred from disk to RAM and combined. So we shall write it for page 6. Normally, when we transfer the entire page 6, then it should be 7834. But here we shall only update this part of it, and other part will remain as it is. Is this correct? Any doubt now?
Sir, you need to scroll down.
Okay, I will scroll down. I cannot see anything out here. I cannot see. Who are you speaking?
Sir, I am Nilanjan. Sir, many people have written.
But
You
I
have to
cannot
scroll.
get it. What is the doubt? It is not clear to me. What is your doubt? We shall take more examples, then the things will become clear to you. Now, here, suppose we write M18 equal to 38. Then what will happen? Tell me what will happen. It will be 0, page number 9, 38, and it is some garbage number can be written as 77. And no transfer. Very good, Gyan. Now, when it is over, then what will be done? When it is over, P6 will be transferred from RAM to disk fully. And P7, P9 will be transferred from RAM to disk partially. Now, how do we make partial transfer? To transfer partially, P9 is transferred from disk to RAM. Now, P9 becomes this. P9 becomes this. 3845. Now, 3845 is transferred from RAM to disk. Is it correct? Yes. Okay. Now, class is over. I will send the notes of this. And any person, if you are free, we can even discuss now also. Is it correct? Yes. Class is over. Partial transfer is harder than full transfer. Is it correct? Yes. If you are free, you can discuss. Otherwise, my class is over. And I am putting all these notes. I am putting all these notes on the chart. We shall see to it. Maybe that someone has asked this question. Yes, class is over. Yes, stop recording. Yes.